Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use this UltraEdit text editor software. So this is actually very useful software if you are doing computational chemistry. So now I will tell you how to get and use this software. So just go to google.com, just you can type UltraEdit. So this is the web page of this software. Just click this first one. So you will direct to this page. Now you can see UltraEdit download now. So if you want to use this for trial, just you can go for this one. If you want to buy, you can go to here. So first you can test this software how it works. For that, just you go for download now 30-day free trials. Just you can click it. So this will direct to this page. So here you can see download Mac or Linux version. So if you want, you can also use that one. So if you want a Windows version, go here. This here different languages is available. So if you want to use English, just you can go for this download 64-bit. Just you can click it English one. So it will automatically start download. So I already installed this trial one, so I don't want to again download. Just I will pause this. So if you want, just go for this one, download it and install. You can use this. Now I will tell you the how to use this UltraEdit software. So this is my UltraEdit software. I already installed it. Just double click that software. It will go to this kind of blank pages. So this is the UltraEdit blank page. So if you want to edit any files, just you can drag it here. So this is actually my postcard file. So I will show you how to edit this one. Just you can drag it here. So this is my postcard files. So here, if you want to do selective dynamics, you have to fix some atoms. This is XYZ coordinate. You have to fix some selective atoms. Then other atoms you need to relax. So for that you need to type here F. And if you want to transition, just you have to type so TTT. So here you can see large number of atoms is there. You cannot if you want to type manually, it will take more time. So for that I will tell you how to copy paste column and paste. So this is the very useful software if you are doing this computational chemistry kind of things. So for that, first what you have to do, just go to here. You can see edit is there. Just you can click edit. Here you can see column mode. So this is the very important. Just you need to select this one. Just click it, it automatically select. That's all. So if you want to keep fix this atom up to here, you can also fix it. Just I will copy this. Just you can like that. You can press mouse left side key. Just you can like highlight and Control C or copy. Right click and copy. So we want to paste this FFF up to here. For that, what you have to do, just you want to press Alt key in your keypad. Just you can press it and left key of your mouse. So just you can drag like this. Just you can drag like this. It will select like this. Then what you have to do, after selection this empty places, just you have to right click paste or Control V. So if you do like this, it will paste here. That's all. So now we are going to do transition of the bottom atom. So this is actually model things only. So you have to do specifically based on your calculation. Just I will show you here how to copy paste this column. So we can also again copy this TTT and we can also again press Alt and mouse left side key. Just you can select it. So to bottom, just you can paste. So you need to carefully select, otherwise it will go outside. I think we have to select up to here. So now we can copy this TGT, and we need to put our cursor and next to the this 2. So then you can paste it. See, okay, now nicely pasted. So like that you can fix your atoms and you do your VASP calculation. So if anyone want to copy paste the data like origin data, whatever this, so those people also can copy the data and paste it here to upload the origin file to plot the data. So this is actually very useful software. So all of you please try to use this. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please like, comment, and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.